guys! Today we are starting a new series. We will be answering the most common JavaScript questions that are searched. Okay, today it's time for... But before we will start, remember to subscribe our channel and turn on the notifications. And remember to give us thumbs up and leave a comment. Let's start! Let's talk about functions. Function in JavaScript is a block of code that have to perform a certain task. So, for example, speaking is a certain task, so it would be a function to, say something. And we can define the function using a function keyword and the name of the function, or we can define it as a variable. For sure you have seen like const and the name. It's very often done with arrow functions. And we have named function and we have anonymous functions as well, which doesn't have a name, and then they should be self-invoked. So they should be invoked just after they are declared. Besides that, after the function name, we can pass parentheses with the parameters. We are talking about the parameters when we are declaring the function, and we are talking about arguments where we are calling the function. The function is executed every time when it's called or invoked in the code.